Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Rayniz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm back with another video of my 52-inch antique brass Encon Monterrey ceiling fan dated February 1997. Now, what's going on is that I'm just showing you guys this video of this Encon Monterrey ceiling fan shown with the schoolhouse light kit and shown with the plain side of the blades. So, I flipped the blades over like 2 or 3 days before I started recording this video. So, without further ado, I'm about to go on to demonstrate the light. Here's what it looks like with the light on. And here's what it looks like with the light off. Now I'm about to go on to demonstrate this fan starting off with low. Alright, so I'm about to go on and put it on medium in about 24 seconds. Alright, here's medium. Alright, now this is high speed now. Now here's fan off. Alright, other than that, so here it is. My 52-inch antique brass Encon Monterrey ceiling fan, shown with the plain blades and schoolhouse light kit. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.